The rear seat reminder enhances child protection by alerting the driver to check the rear cabin and seats before leaving the vehicle. This smart feature remembers if the rear doors were opened before a drive begins. Then after the drive is over and the vehicle is turned off, the driver is reminded to check the rear cabin with an audio alert and a check rear seats warning message in the instrument panel. So no kids or important belongings get left behind. Rear seat reminder is on by default, but can be turned off if desired. To turn the feature off using the touchscreen, touch the Home button. Select Settings. Select Vehicle. Select Meter Setup. Select Rear Seat Reminder and select Off. The rear seat reminder will then remain disabled until turned back on using this procedure. Note that the rear seat reminder is a helpful technology, but may not activate in all situations. For example, if during your trip you stop to fill up gas. In this case, you would likely receive a rear seat reminder alert, but not upon arrival of your final destination. Rear seat reminder can be reactivated by opening and closing the rear passenger doors before turning the vehicle on again.